Good morning, beautiful peoples. Ha ha. All right, guys. I'm on my way into Damascus. I would have recorded earlier, but I am at 32% and no battery life left on anything. So I am trying to preserve the battery. But I got 6 miles to go and I'll be in Damascus. And I got 3 miles to go and I'll be in Virginia. Oh, man. That feels so good to know that I'll be in Virginia soon. But these 6 miles is rough. Cause I'm like, I have no energy. But I did the first 2.5 miles in an hour. So, guess I'm not making too bad of time. But man, this young lady is beat. I am tired. Like, not only am I physically tired, I'm mentally tired. This girl is drained, y'all. I need some food. So that's what I'm doing. I'm walking to some chicken. The wicked chicken. Alright, folks. Goodbye, Tennessee. I'm so glad to be leaving you. Oh, goodbye, Tennessee. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I am officially in. Hold up, you guys. I want you to watch this, right? Right, watch this. Do, 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 do. I'm officially in Virginia. Yes. That has been coming, folks. A long time. So glad. And in about a week and a half, I'm going to be cussing because I know Virginia's like long as crap. So y'all just bear with me while I'm happy for a week and a half, okay? Now, guys, here's me stumbling into Damascus. I am exhausted and tired. And my vertigo is really messing with me really bad today. Definitely gonna have to take a 0 tomorrow. But I need one anyway, so it's all good. I need to upload some videos for you guys anyway. That's Damascus. There's freedom up there. She called up to me this morning. She put in a 19-mile day to get here. But she needed to run home to get her medicine. And guess what? She found a ride. This home's not that far from here. So The trail provides, man. Notice, camping is closed all on the Appalachian Trail from Double Springs to something due to aggressive bear activity. The trail detective determined that was a lie. And I guess we just literally running into town. I don't know about y'all though. Okay, there's a white blaze up there. I'm like, I don't even see a white blaze. Alright. Oh, man. Look, that dude's got a Mustang and a Corvette. That don't even make no sense, does it? When's the last time you seen a Mustang like that? Like, what's that? A 93, 94 maybe? Wow. I wish I had it. Look at Freedom. She's all excited. I can't blame her. Alright, folks. So, I got into Damascus. And I went to stay at the Methodist church. They have a place called The Place. And it's a $10 a night donation. And you get a bunk inside. And it has no mattress. And basically you sit up on your blow up mattress. I'm crossing the street here. Hold on. Mind you, I have on some loner clothes. I'm about to show y'all. That's the reason why I'm making this video. Because I want to show y'all these loner clothes. And the lady at the gas station told me, she said, she told me I was fine. I'm walking down the side street. So nobody sees me in these clothes. So anyway, they don't have laundry, and you can go to Crazy Larry's and he will do your laundry for you, and for a price. So I took a shower and I headed over to Crazy Larry's to see if he would do my laundry. And I had washed out my shorts, and I just put on wet shorts, and I put on my sleep shirt, and I walked over to Crazy Larry's, and I didn't have on a bra. And what I realize now is that my sleep shirt is a size small with men's, and you guys is baggy. So clearly I've lost a lot of weight. Well, it fits like a medium or a large does normally. And so I didn't think anything of it. Well, mind you, I get to Crazy Larry's, and he's got loner clothes. And so he tells me I can pick out some loner clothes to wear. Well, the only thing they had that even remotely would fit is this little, that wasn't long sleeves, like winter clothes. Is this little shirt. And you guys, I thought it was a man's small. And I realize now it's a little kid's shirt. And these big old shorts. Let's see if I can zoom in. That are huge on me. So the shorts are too big and the shirt is too small. And I don't have on a bra. And the lady at the gas station told me, "Oh, honey, you're fine. You're fine." So apparently this is normal hiker behavior. And so I had to come back. Like, you know, I had to come back. So, I mean, where do you go? Looking like God knows what. So I went down and sat by the river. Oh, JR and Elvis were down there fishing. And they're staying where I'm at. So I said, boys, I'm going to sit down there with y'all. Because, with what I have on, I didn't need to be seen in public. So I have to walk back to Crazy Larry's. And Crazy Larry's is on Main Street. And so you guys, I took a side street instead of coming down like, I should come down like the main street, take a right down the next main street. I took a side street so nobody can see me. I mean, it's not like these people know me. But still, what if one day I decide to run for Congress or something? Anyway, I just thought I'd tell y'all that.